Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use Snapchat. So first you have to have the Snapchat app, and basically, so I'm going to teach you how to use it. So it's a free app, and this is the camera. So basically how to use this is, there's different filters here. So you can use the different filters, front camera or back. And also, there's also different options here. They just added music, so you could use music like that. And you could also control it like where you want it. So just click it to not have it. And then there's flash. There's flash. So you can take it without or within. And then there's timeline. You could add your song. It's like they have a lot of different options. Multi-snap is taking multiple pictures at once of like the same thing. Like you could just take as much as you want. And then there's timers. So there's 3 seconds. 3 seconds, yeah. And it times when you want to take the picture. And it takes it by itself. And then there's focus. This just focuses on like a face. And then there's grid. So yeah, grid, like you just add like lenses, okay? So basically if you want to add friends, you could click this and then you could search them up. And yeah. So basically I'm going to teach you how to like talk also. So basically, you could snap people and like send it to them. There's also there's bitmojis, emojis. You can use all of that, stickers, and also go from your camera roll, send things there, and you can also play games for free on here. So you could do all of that and call and FaceTime. Yep, and you could also have the option to show your location or not. So yeah, and then you can see your friend's location if they turn it on. Next is, you can also view people's stories. So you just click that and then you view people's stories. There's also like little ads here and TikToks. They actually just added TikToks on here. And so you also have a snap score. It goes up every time you snap someone. And you could add to your story. You can make a private story where you add like specific people you want it to see. Add friends from here too, and you could also make a public profile where it's like Instagram, kind of like it's like a little mix. You can't like post that much though. So yeah, and you also have your Bitmoji. I'm gonna teach you how to make a Bitmoji. So you have to go to the Bitmoji app. You have to download that. Bitmoji. Okay. So then you make your avatar with the Bitmoji app, and then it should be saved and ready to go. It's really simple, same thing. And yeah, that's really all it, how to use Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.